Lips, teeth, tip of the tongue. Lips, teeth,
Tip of the tongue.
Lips,
Teeth, tip of the tongue.
Hi community! Happy to be back again. It's Ariel and Q here for another round of answering your burning questions. Kevin Duran came full force with a really good one that we've actually had for quite some time. Everyone's been wondering, this is a very hot topic. Any plans to add video into the templates instead of just images? And Sebastian, we see you too. Thank you for liking that and being a part of the community. That was actually a very funny interaction the two of you had. I see, Kevin, how you could have thought that Sebastian did indeed work for Waymark, but he doesn't. We're gonna hand it over to Q and see what he has to say here today about adding video into our templates.
This is a great question, and one obviously that we get a lot.
I want to know the answers as well, so this is just as intriguing for me.
This one actually is kind of a long yes. I mean, we all want to see our neighborhood coffee shop be able to show the inside of their shop in a video. There's obviously places where you can put in your own images, your own, you can choose music. Video is kind of a tricky upload.
It's
thing.
not the same.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
so
not the same thing.
If you've ever used YouTube or a service like that and uploaded your own videos there, you know sometimes putting a video into something can take 10, 20, 30 minutes.
Right.
We've begun exploring some options to swap pieces of footage and templates. So that means we're going to have to do things like find a library of footage that, of course, if you're going to buy a TV spot, that have to be licensed for TV and all that stuff.
Is that similar to what we have with Momentum?
Yeah, so you see some templates like Pix even, where we have multiple versions of it.
Yep.
It's really the same template, but different videos behind it. You could imagine that Pix in the future would be just one template, and we would say, hey, it's this person texting, and you can change it to person texting at the gym or person texting in a car. But beyond that, if we give you access to a footage library, that could be dolphin swimming.
I know you're all looking for that one.
I know, everyone's looking for the hot dolphin content. And we're looking through ways of searching, categorizing, and filtering that, and then giving you options to favorite clips and that sort of thing. We're still trying to crack the code on how to make it so that you can add your own videos to things and have it feel snappy and timely.
Right.
Like when you change text, you change it immediately.
And to make sure people have the quality, you know, if not everyone has the best gear, and you know, how do you upload that? What type of file are we uploading? How long can it be? Have you cut it yourself? Do we include some sort of thing where you upload a 5-minute video and you can cut that down to 25 seconds?
And we get into complexities too, where a clip might be inside of a circle or inside of a mask, and it's on screen for 5 seconds, but you upload a 30-second clip. What do those controls have to look like? We're very interested in this, and we're actively exploring how to make it happen. The thing you might see happen before it happens is a video library and being able to switch footage from within a video first.
Gotcha. Which is a step in the right direction.
It is.
It might not be exactly what we're looking for, but I hope that you know by now that we want it to be amazing for all of you. So we don't just want to throw something out there and say, hey, here you go, maybe it'll be okay, maybe it won't. We want it to be something that is 100% amazing and is going to look great and help you and your business grow.
Somebody last week said in the community, I forget, was it Marilyn? That
Maybe.
said, I appreciate a thoughtful no.
I think it was Tracy.
Tracy gave us a...
Tracy. We love you. Shout out Tracy.
Shout out
Marilyn,
Tracy.
love you too. Love you too. A thoughtful no. You know, the whole point of these response videos is, even if we can't tell you yes right now, we want to be open, honest, and transparent about what's going on behind the scenes at Waymark. And hopefully this gives you an idea, and you can see some faces behind the company. And as you come up with more questions, please, I'm gonna post this burning questions sort of fun little post at the top of the community page. And if you will just continue to leave your questions, I don't care how big or how small, leave them there. We want to read them, we want to answer them for you, and just be more open altogether. All right, well, thank you, Kevin, and thank you, Sebastian. Hope everyone in the community has a great rest of your week, and we'll see you on the next one.
Till next time, bye.